she breathes a little calmer. But I know patience doesn't come with age. 'Cause in all my youthful glory, I still put myself on hold, waiting for our return to the stage. I guess she's learned a little something. Maybe she knows a little more from all those extra days of the life that she's lived. 3,634. I guess her faith is far less torture. She must have more resolve than me. 'Cause I'm blindly stumbling through this mess, hoping one day why it's not me I believe was somehow meant to be. I guess her heart's a little stronger to be apart, yet still have strength and pride. When all my crimes are melted to loving so much, I needed us side by side. I guess she's the woman I could never be. The heartache fades, knowing you once wanted this for us.